Hey guys, so we're here in Santa Fe, New Mexico. A lot of big stuff happening. I figured I'd do an updated tour of the RV. It's been a long time, and I never did one after I remodeled it. For those of you new to the channel, I'm Jack. I've been living in this for 4 years. My girlfriend and our dog Panda. This is my 1990 Toyota Seabreeze. I bought it in Montana. It had a blown head gasket, cracked water heater, and people that sold it to me didn't mention any of that. So I put a lot of blood, sweat, and tears into this thing. It has the 3-liter V6, cold air intake on it. Onboard generator has the Onan 2.8. On the back I added these auxiliary tail lights. Of course the stained glass in the window there. This Toyota cover. But this has been home sweet home for 4 years, so I'll show you real quick. Completely repainted inside. Painted the door too, more of that stained glass. Ripped out the carpets, of course. This is sheet vinyl, fake hardwood flooring. So white paint, added the turquoise. This was all beige and pink in here. It was really gross. I'm sure you guys noticed I deleted the front window. That was one of the best things I ever did to this RV. Those really like to collect condensation and drip, get your bed all wet, and they're pretty prone to leaking too. Really helped with insulation too, so that's all filled in. I added the custom wood over it. Just have these window coverings, keep it a little warmer. This bed platform, these usually have a sectional cushion in them. There's a U shape, and then this one actually pops out. It's really uncomfortable, it'll give you back problems. So I did the solid base, extended it about 2 inches, then I added the sliding door. There's the front. It has 114,000 miles on it. I had the engine rebuilt with the blown head gasket at about 92,000, I think. Pretty basic Toyota pickup. Stereo, that's about it for the front. I added the walls and the little captain wheel. But yeah, that's been really nice, keeping the dog out of the front, keep it a little warmer in here. I have Renogy 200 watt panels on the top. I have the wires pulled out right now because I'm plugged in. I always disconnect the solar. 200 amp hours of battery under the seat here, and then I add this little voltage meter. It'll tell you what you're bringing in, and voltage, of course. And there's electric propane stove here. It's been really, really nice, dependable. One of the few things I didn't have to replace in this over the years. Pretty basic small freezer. Ugh, need to clean that. Pretty basic small freezer. Not much to it. Added the faucet here. I upgraded all the faucets and the hardware and everything. 4-burner propane range with it's got an oven too. 6-gallon water heater under there. I replaced that shortly after buying it. They didn't winterize properly, so that was cracked. I added a lot of LED lighting, LED bulbs and everything, of course. The stick-on tiles, this was really nice, cheap way of classing it up a little bit. I will warn you, if you get it, don't put it near a heat source, it kind of turns yellow. So, lessons learned. Original clock, it actually says made in Western Germany on the back of it. That was out of our first rig, out of our Dolphin, which is 87. Installed this new Thetford toilet a couple months ago. The other one was just old and the gaskets are all worn out and it's just nasty. So replace that. We're winterized right now, so I got antifreeze in it. It's got the little sprayer handle for rinsing it out. I actually added this countertop. These usually have a small plastic one. You can kind of see it here. I extended it out a little bit and put this sink out of a camper van in it. The stupid little plastic sink that was in this was cracked, so had to chop that out, put this in. Worked out pretty well. And of course the shower in here, I relined all this with that like plastic wall board. This is typically in these motorhomes, this is wallpaper in the shower, so wanted it to last a little longer than wallpaper. Oxygenetic shower head, upgraded faucet there that matches the one in the bathroom. So, it's been a great little home. Yeah, there's the license plates from our Dolphin too. So pretty sentimental stuff in here. You guys can probably tell I'm moving out right now. It's actually been for sale, and it's sold today, so I'm getting a very fair price on it. Definitely not what I put into it, but that's RVs. This thing's also saved me over $30,000 in rent in the last 4 years, so paid for itself a couple times over. See, I did this. This is a 12-volt LED TV. It has the built-in DVD player. Added this stereo. Put these speakers in. This Bluetooth on. We even got a subwoofer down there too. It's pretty cheap. I threw it together for about $30. So this has been a great home, guys. Really love this RV. Oh, there's the onboard generator there. So you just push the button, fires it up. I only have 150 hours on it. This thing's 30 years old. I'm not going to start it up because I'd have to let it run for a while, so be nice to the neighborhood. So anyway, guys, this is a nice little brief tour of the RV. I know it's been a long time coming. Wish I could have showed it with all my stuff in it, but we're moving out. We're selling it today. It's kind of crazy. I'm not going to talk about what's happening next, but it's awesome, guys. I'm so excited. We got some huge stuff happening here. 2020 is going to be so good to us, and this RV has been so good to us. So it's going to a good home, new Nomad. I'll try and get her on camera. I'm really excited for her adventures too. So this is my 1990 Toyota Seabreeze. So we got some big adventures coming up, guys. Please subscribe if you haven't. Tag along, because this channel is going to get really exciting. This is gone. I got a good wad of cash I'm putting towards the next rig that is going to be badass. So thank you so much for watching, guys. We'll see you on the next one.